In this video, I'm demonstrating how to breathe into my belly using a harmonica in the key of C. What I'd like for you to do is just pay particular attention to my posture, from my feet all the way to the top of my head. Everything is symmetrical, everything's straight, everything's in order. The foam roller is along my spine and allows me to open up that chest and relax. So as I breathe into my belly through the harmonica, the more I relax, the more I kind of melt over top that roller, and it opens up my T-spine. So as you watch this video, I want you to pay particular attention to my wrist position, which is neutral. My elbows are tucked in. My shoulders are relaxed, so I'm pulling them down towards the hip, and my feet are straight. All of these play a huge role in how we breathe when we're using a harmonica. As we transition to the next video, you'll see a kettlebell that's placed right below the sternum with the handle facing downwards. This enhances the breathing technique as I draw air in and blow air out through the harmonica. And as you can see the bell that's sinking in all the way down through my abdomen, and then I'm pushing that abdomen out. Now, I'm not pushing it with my belly, I'm using my breath to move that kettlebell. And this is a very powerful technique that you can use once you feel comfortable drawing in and blowing air out of the harmonica. So this is something that you can add in to enhance your technique in the breathing. Now that you've had the opportunity to understand what's going on, watch again here without narration.